Culture is not just a static object to be observed from a distance. It is a dynamic expression of the collective experiences, values, and beliefs of a people. To truly comprehend a society, one must immerse themselves in it, engage with its people, and participate in its daily rituals. Cuisine is a universal language that speaks to the heart of a culture. In the kitchen, where dishes are prepared and shared, one can experience the essence of a society, its flavors, and its practices. It is through this shared experience of cooking and eating together that we can truly appreciate the richness and diversity of our world's traditions and customs.